Yeah. Hiccup. Hiccup for mommy. Huh? You hiccup and poop on mommy at the same time, huh?
You can put her back in the thing.
Now we're just chilling.
Look at her hand. Little fat hand.
Oh, she's so cute. Aren't you, Larry? Larry, say hello. Oh, there you go. Say
Hello?
hello.
Nothing. Sit here. No. We've just been spending time with the baby.
Oh, are you opening your one eye?
Spending time with